Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name over on the TikTok app. So in order to change your name, it's actually quite easy. So once you open the TikTok app, what you want to do is you want to go to your profile where you can see your profile picture and your name and all those kind of things. And then what you simply do is click on edit profile just like this, and then here you can change your name and username. So what is good to know is that you have a username and a name over on TikTok. A username is a specific name people can type in over on the TikTok search bar in order to find your specific account. And your name is just a name that can be whatever you want. And it can multiple accounts can have the same name. However, multiple accounts can't have the same username, so you make sure to keep that in mind. So if you want to change your name, it can be whatever you want. For example, I can even change it to Ronaldo if I want to. Even though I'm not actually Ronaldo, I can still change it to Ronaldo. Then all I do is click on save, and you can see it will say set nickname, and then do know that you can change it once every 7 days. Then in order to change your username, what you do is click on username, and then you can see right here that you can only change your username every 30 days. So that's a little bit different from your normal name. And you can just simply type in whatever you want. However, do know that it needs to be a specific username no one else has chosen before. So you will probably need to find a username that has not been chosen before. So make sure to keep that in mind. So that's how you can change your name over on TikTok. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.